100 grand's a go-go. I'm beating the street, just me and my heat, and I'm getting money, and that's...
What's going on, y'all? It's another snack. I'm here picking up my daughter, or my other daughter. Y'all know who I got here.
No. You need to stop recording me every time I put this red shirt on. Because it's clean.
You just said you gotta stop recording you every time you put it on. How many times you wear it?
How many times you wear what you got on?
I just put this on.
I gotta wash it and dry it, so it's very much clean. So, yeah. Down here, it doesn't look too. That's crayon.
Man, can't take them nowhere, man.
No, that's crayon.
For sure, fuck nigga, just move around. Been gone for a while, but I'm back in town. Hitting